Hi guys, so this video is the updated video on how to run a profile visit ad campaign on your Instagram account. All right, so we are updating the course that will show you how to run Instagram profile visit ad campaign using the Facebook Ads Manager on your desktop or on your laptop. Inside this tutorial, you are also going to learn how to select only Instagram, okay? Because you know the Ads Manager gives you the power to target people across Meta technologies and their partners or audience network. So this particular video will also cover how you can make sure your ads only shows to people on Instagram. So we're going to be covering all of this in this particular video. So knowledge like this, you can also use them in other objective and so much more. So make sure you visit the description section. We always provide exclusive resources to help you succeed in Meta advertising and so much more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight into this video to show you how to launch a profile visit ad campaign, which will help you get more followers or even get more DMs from your customers, or your visitors could even explore your pages and visit your website and do a whole lot of things. So let's jump right straight in. So you open a new tab. When you launch your browser, make sure you've logged in your Facebook account already on the same browser. You visit adsmanager.facebook.com. Make sure you've logged in your Facebook account before doing this. Okay, so next, always once you open this site, it will open your personal ad account. This is your personal ad account. Every Facebook account has a personal ad account. It's in very rare cases where you find a Facebook account without the personal ad account. So you click on this drop down, and then I'm going to search for the preferred ad account. So let's use Official Grite. Okay, so let's use it under Official Grite. I'm going to use this one. So this is a profile visit. I'm going to show you for Instagram. Now there are other ways. You could also do Facebook page profile visit, but this one is just for Instagram. And here you're also going to learn how to select an Instagram only placement. What does that mean? When you want your ads to only show on Instagram. So it's a 2-in-1. So it's same principles for the placement across Meta. So click on OK. So next, you click on Create. Okay. So click on Create. Now, the Instagram profile visit, if you notice, when you do it from the app, you always see profile visit, or maybe on Ads Manager, you see link click. So it's under the traffic objective, traffic. So you select traffic. Make sure your buying type is under auction, then traffic. You always find it on auction, by the way. So traffic objective, then you click on continue. So you can see it's good for link click, landing page views, Instagram profile visits, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and calls, blah, blah, blah. So click on continue. Then you select manual traffic campaign, then continue. Okay, so here you set up your campaign. So we just call this PV, profile visit class. Okay, so once you're done with that, for the budget, we're going to set our budget under Ad Set Budget, and you can decide to turn this on or off by clicking on the checkbox. So we're going to leave it at Ad Set Budget. We'll set the budget on the ad set level. Don't forget, this is campaign level, ad set level, and ad level. We are currently at the campaign level. So once you're done with that, so if your ads fall under the special ad category, make sure you indicate. So if not, you let it be. If you're in real estate, financial products or services, political campaign or social issues, and also employment ads, you have to indicate here. So you click on it and select. But this ad is not about it, or the brand we are running the ads for is not about any of these categories. So we keep it and click on next. Okay, so you can name this ad set. So we could call it ASGW01. Okay, so now this is where you do it. So under the conversion location, you go straight to Instagram or Facebook. So you select Instagram or Facebook. So take note, if you have any errors that it refuses to work, just start afresh. Let me just tell you guys this. Okay, so you can see maximum number of Instagram profile visits and Facebook visits. Now for your identity, you can switch. So I'm going to, okay, so you can decide to change this page or you can use this one. All right, so if you want to change it, you simply click here, then you search for the name of the page and you select, okay? You search and select, but we're going to use Bright Agency. Okay, so now we want it to only go to Instagram profile, not Instagram profile and Facebook page, the visit. So I'm going to unmark Facebook. So it's only Instagram viewers are going to go to. Is that noted? So we scroll down again. Then you select your budget. You can do 10,000 per day, 7,000 per day, $5 per day, $20 per day, or 15,000 naira per day, whichever one. Okay, so I'm not going to send it. I'm not going to set any end date. And you could also schedule this if you don't want it to run immediately. Okay, so we keep going down. Here is your location, so you can change your location or add more location. I always recommend if you're doing Instagram profile visit, no need for detailed targeting because you want to get the most visits and the most followers or the most DMs, okay? Or the most person exploring your content on your page. Okay, so I'm going to leave all of this. I'm not going to set anything. We've made videos where we talked about targeting. Okay, so next for placement. So this is where we are going to select only Instagram. You can select here. You can also click on show more options. Okay. Okay, so if you don't see what you're looking for here, you go back, then we'll click on, we edit this Advantage Plus placement and change it to manual. So select manual placement. So what you're looking for is where you would see all the platform listed and you can now edit it. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see. For some of you, will see more or show more settings, something like that. So make sure you find platforms. On that platform, then you'll be able to select and unselect. So I'm going to unselect Facebook and select only Instagram. Okay, so that's the beauty. Don't forget, this video shows you how to do Instagram profile visit. So we're going to select only Instagram is available with unselected Facebook. Then we'll click on next. Okay, hold on. Allow limited spending to excluded placement. You can turn this off if you want to make sure that it never goes beyond or outside Instagram. Okay. So only focus on Instagram. That's what I've done. You could also click on show more options, like I said, if you want. So, but that is enough. You could also play around all of this depending on what you want. So we'll click on next. So we're going to use existing post. I'm going to name this. We'll call it ad 001. Okay. So this under ad setup, this is where you decide if you want to use an existing post or if you want to create the ad here. So I'm going to use an existing post. So click on create ad and use existing post. Multiple, yeah, just leave that. Next, we'll select the post. So this is our Instagram. So we can select this one. Then click on, you can also select multiple if you want. This is the new one they are doing now. Okay, but select only one for now. Then continue. Okay, we are good to go. Now this destination, you see? If you can click on none. Okay, but if you are selling, for some of you sell with profile visits, also add get WhatsApp messages. Okay, so in this case, now this is the kind of creative I'm promoting. So if I add the WhatsApp message, my expected conversation would be, can you help me grow my social media page? Because that is what this creative is all about. Okay, so that is another advantage of clicking on get WhatsApp messages, or you go for none if you don't. You just want them to focus on listing the profile. I'm going to click on get WhatsApp message. So they're going to message this number on WhatsApp. All right, so once you're done, you click on publish. That's how easy it is. Now, in order to make the most out of your budget, you can use up to 5, 10 contents or 7. So you click on edit again. Either you click on this edit or preferably use this one. Click on edit here. All right, now we're going to duplicate this one. Going to be multiple ad levels under a single ad set, under a single campaign. So click on these 3 dots and click on duplicate. So we're just going to turn this off. I don't want to use recommendation, then continue. So I'm going to duplicate just 3. Let's just work with 3, but you could do 5. I don't want this video to be too long. So 3 only, then duplicate. So for the next one, we're going to use a video. So just click on continue editor. Leave all this grammar here. Just click on continue editor. But in future, if things changes, make sure you read it. Okay, so we select here. Then I'm going to edit this to 2 so that I can easily edit it. I can easily track it and know what's happening. So we scroll down, click on select post. So I can unmark this and select only this. Okay, I said we're going to use a video. So let's use a video. So let's use this one. Then continue. This particular video I selected, we're trying to sell a service. So definitely I should use get WhatsApp messages. Okay, but if you don't want WhatsApp message, select none. Okay, so this one is a partnership ad. So yeah, that's true. That is a partnership ad. So I have to turn on partnership to use it. Okay, so it's either I turn on partnership ads or I choose a new post. Okay, so let me choose a new one. So select post. So I could decide to use this video instead. So if you select this video, you unselect. So I'm going to X this one. Okay, so continue. So let's use this one. So we scroll down. Then definitely we'll leave it at get WhatsApp message because this video is also selling one of our products, digital products. Okay. So I'm going to publish, preview, and publish. So this is how to use a video. We've made a video where we did a partnership ads. Somewhere, yeah. So take your time and learn. Okay, we have a lot of videos on this YouTube channel. Take advantage of them. So click on edit button again. So this is the second option. Okay, then we are going to use, okay, let's do something. This time around, we're going to create the ad. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so it's selected. So I'm going to select this one. I will change the name, just update it to 3. So now if you want to create the ad from here, I'm just going to show you. So you know that you must not use an existing post. So click on create ad. Then you scroll down. So you can go for single image or video or carousel. So play around. Next, you click on setup creative. Then let's use an image. So we're going to be faster. So you can upload your image from here. Or if you don't want to upload your image, all these photos you're seeing here, a lot of them were uploaded. So some of them, okay, let me upload so that you see. So it's either you upload or you use from the Facebook page or Instagram account. So I'm going to upload one. So I'll click on upload. Okay, so we can select any of these. So let me use this one, then open. So it's uploading. So make sure it's selected. You can see selected already. Then you can also verify. Okay, by hovering around that eye. Then you click on next. So caption simple. Write anything you want to write. So I can call this register your business. That's enough. This is just a sample, but take your time to write this. Then we'll click on next. You could also add more text options if you want. So click on next. You could decide to use this or you just click on next. Okay, just click on done. and unselect the one you want to unselect and leave the ones you want to leave. So click on done. Okay, so we are good to go. So we can publish this one now. Okay, so let's see. So in some cases, when you create the ad from here, you might not see this option, but it's still fine. After all, your focus is just visit profile, not to use this or not. So I'm not gonna select this one for this one. So leave it as none. So okay, let's push this. Then scroll. So you can see this is it. Visit Instagram profile. Then we preview and publish. Very, very simple. Okay, so let's edit again. I think there's one more to go. Okay, this one. So let's select. We've covered a lot actually in this video. So call this 4. So maybe I should try that partnership ad. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so click on select post. Then we can unselect this one. Then we scroll down. So this video is a partner video. You can also select from here, partner content. Okay, it mustn't be from here. You can also select here, or you click here and select, then continue. So when they insist that partnership must be on, it means this button. So you must turn on this button. Okay, so that is how to. Then next we're going to select. So click what page. Let's use Grite. Okay, let's use Grite. So official Grite. We have 2 accounts. Then click on done. Okay, so that fixes the problem. Okay, so now we select the post. Seems like now we select the post. So I think we'll be able to use this one. Then continue. All right. Okay, so you can select none or leave it at get WhatsApp messages. So after that, you click on preview to publish. If you have a website event already installed, you can activate it, but this is not necessary. So you just turn it off. Then preview to publish. Then we publish this one. So that's it. That's all for this video. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Do well to visit the description section. We always have wonderful resources to help you succeed with Facebook and Instagram ads across Meta. All right. See you guys in the next video, and cheers. So you can see the ads is currently in review. So once it gets approved, it's going to start delivering.